Hello, scholars. So today you are on lesson 8, and that's good because that's the end of our target here. Now, I should say it's the end of our target here for now. This goal of learning how to use our role as an advocate to help others is something that we're really going to be working on all this year, right? Everything that we do, we're going to try to bring back to, and how can I use this in my real life so that I can help myself and others. But again, we are going to move to a new target after today's lesson, which is nice because I know we might be tired of hearing about this. So we all can explain what rights and responsibilities are. We know that citizens have rights and responsibilities. And we know that as citizens, we need to think about everybody and make sure everyone is treated fairly. So you're working on today showing me that you can do this, right? And the cool thing is, I think we all are already here. You're even starting to work to go above the target and actually practice. You're almost there using your role to help others. You are almost there. Maybe not quite, but that's okay. Because like I said, we have all this year. So today, you might have noticed on our assignment, you have this My Advocacy Journal. When you click into it, you're going to see the title again, and then entry 1. And all these are black because you're going to fill them in later. But I don't want you to even worry about them at all. That's why I have it so that you can't even see it right now. It's going to be your job. I'm not going to tell you when we do social studies writing assignments, I'm not going to tell you it needs to be this long or this whatever. What I will say is you can stop writing when you feel like you've answered the question. Okay, so your first entry, you're answering this question. What steps can I take when I see my classmates being treated unfairly? What can you do when you see your classmates being treated unfairly? Okay, whenever you see this, click to add text. That's a fancy way of just saying, click here, and then you can start typing. Real words, not that, okay? So you are going to answer this question. If you finish early, you'll go back to Clever. On BrainPop Junior, I do have a Rosa Parks assignment for you. I know you might be familiar with her already, but I just want us to continue to think about these advocates, and even especially advocates that were kids, like the past 2 days we studied, or were just normal people. Like Rosa Parks is just a normal lady, and she was able to make a huge difference. Okay? So again, you're going to try to answer this question, or not try to, you're going to answer this question. And when you feel like, okay, I've answered it, if you still have time, you can go to Clever, click on BrainPop Junior, and you'll have an assignment at the top here that's called Rosa Parks. Okay? All right, scholars. I can't wait to hear your answers.